Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Spirits of Aetheria game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not working, keep stopping, lagging, black screen or other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your Android phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So after your phone restarts, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to check for the game updates. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game Spirits of Aetheria, and from here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, try to open the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. If you still face some kind of problem, then you can install a VPN app and then check if the game is opening or not. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and you will get lots of VPN apps available over here. Install any one of it. After that, log in to it and then change the location, and after that launch the game and check. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to the settings, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after you have done this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and then click on the install option, and once you install the game, now try to play it and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.